The Quantum Engine Optimizer 2025 transforms internal combustion engine performance through advanced quantum principles, optimizing fuel use without vehicle modifications. Leveraging quantum energy fields, this device restructures fuel at the molecular level, inspired by Dr. Masaru Emoto's work, ensuring a complete burn for reduced emissions. Scientific studies validate quantum fields' impact on liquids. The Quantum Engine Optimizer enhances fuel by utilizing these principles for better combustion properties. Experience enhanced gas mileage, increased horsepower, and lower emissions with technology supported by global research, ensuring a greener and cost-effective drive.